Once the girl look, light on air, spirit horses, proud and rare.
Jungle hush and fig trees grace. They mark the spiral secret place. Each rite a prayer, each gallop divine. Guarding gates of Jah's design. Them gone like breath from morning dew, leaving silence where they once flew. Beneath the fig and the castle, where the roots once whisper, me hear them call. Smoke rise up from the broken leaves. Ash upon ash, 1,000 graves. Ferns now curl like frightened child, and the parrots cease from flying wild. The sacred gate where time did hide now crumble beneath the fire tide.
Spiral down, down, down to the road where the rhythm sleep. Spin round, 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 go where roots and stone meet. There you'll find the dread dog and his tree.
To guide the paths where the dreams still grow, deep in the silence of the spiral road. Hey, spiral road, carved by hand of Jah. Twist down deep past stone and star. Crystals hum in forgotten caves, where silence reigned like coral graves. Light once danced upon the mystic walls. No blue dream drip like it slowly fall. But deep inside that dream remained a spark of hope through all the pain.
Follow down, down, down to the road where the rhythm sleep. Spin round, 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 go where roots and stone meet. There you'll find the dread bug and his tree.
To guide the path where the dreams still grow, deep in the silence of the spiral road. No guard in that flame, my pug still lay. My goo guy pond in the crystal bay. Dread upon dread and the breath so slow. Him dream the dream that make things grow. Golden chalice by him side, full of seed from the spirit tide. Sleeping still but him conscious roam, tending the dream from him crystal home.
Upon him pillow, oh so soft, he chant for Zion and sight lost. Him slumber hold the sacred beat, while red smoke rage and spirit retreat. And when the time come, the day draw near,